Can I explain to you in just 30 seconds why insulating garage walls shared with your home is important? I like to think I can, but I also like to think I sound just like Mariah Carey when I'm singing in the shower. That garage common wall might feel like an interior wall, but it sure doesn't act like one. If it's not insulated, air can move freely between your garage and your home. That means that cold air, heat, and even fumes from the garage can get inside. And the air you're paying to heat and cool, well, that's escaping right out through the garage door. So even if you insulate the rest of your home, leaving that wall uninsulated creates a weak spot. Seal that wall, and you help control comfort, air quality, and energy usage. I may not hit those notes like Mariah, but I did hit this explanation right out of the park. Now that you understand why insulating that garage common wall is so important, you might be ready to have that work done. Now, if that's the case, check out the Find a Dealer page on our website. There you're going to find RetroFoam dealers across the country who will come out and get that insulated for you. I'm your building science brainiac reminding you to bring a little science to every project.